is our Royal Enfield Tripper Pod, and what it does, it displays your turn-by-turn directions in a really simple, intuitive way so that you can just easily explore any area.
Tripper has two parts to it. One is a dedicated display on the instrument cluster, and the other is a segment in Royal Enfield mobile application.
So it's simple. We just connect to the app. So we key on our ignition. You get the Royal Enfield logo that pops up, and it will let you know that it's trying to connect with the phone. I click connect to my display. So let's say we want to go to the closest chip shop. I can put that in as a destination, and then it will give me a selection, and I hit navigate. It ties in with Google Locations and Google Places, so you can easily search out one of the best directories globally for locations, find where you want to go, hit connect, and then immediately pops up the directions. Left turn is a very simple left turn, right turn, roundabout. But what it does is as you come closer to that turn, it will start filling up that arrow to let you know that turn's approaching. And then when you're close to the turn, it will start flashing. So it catches your peripheral vision, and it just reminds you that you have an action, you have a turn that you need to do. So it makes it very intuitive and actually reduces the distraction.
The mobile application ensures that the navigation continues to work even when the rider is passing through a no network area.
You can load up to 20 different waypoints, so you can create an entire trip.